Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 boot BCD errors. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. Find Windows installed drive letter, in my case Windows installed drive letter is C. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the system partition type is GPT or UEFI. Type list volume. Find system volume, volume 2 is system volume. Type assign letter equal to Q. Q colon. CD space /EFI /Microsoft /boot. Type attrib space, BCD space, -H space, -R space, -S. Type ren space BCD space, BCD22.old. Type bootrec /rebuild BCD. Type BCD boot space, C colon /Windows space, /S space, Q colon space, /F space, UEFI. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.